It is January 6, almost a week since the new year 2006, and I just thought I should have vlogged because I don't know, I think that my first week is interesting and I haven't been recording what I have been doing. January 1, outgoing ako from my 24-hour duty. And then, after that, sinundo ako ng mga pinsan ko. We hang out, chismisan, inuman sila, kain, ganyan. And then, January 2, we went to Green Hills. So, sumama ako, pero wala, nag-ikot lang ako dun. What I did, I bought books. And oh my God, sobrang sale. Kasi parang 2,000 pesos lang yung nagastos ko. Ang dami kong kung ano-anong abubot na binili. Cutter, pen, highlighter, whatever. And I got 3 books na kasama sa ikagagalit ni Ninya Girl dahil nakakalat lang na hindi ko babasahin because I still have 2 books that I haven't finished reading. So, A Little Life, and then Worry and Generalized Anxiety Disorder. So, self-help siya. So, the books that I got are this. First, I have The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. Actually, natapos ko na ng audiobook, pero wala lang. It's a good read, so I wanna read that again. Itong The Road Less Traveled, meron din ako nitong ebook, pero wala. So, I know that this is a good read as well. So, I haven't finished this. And then, The Ritual Effect, From Habitual to Ritual, Harness the Surprising Power of Everyday Actions. I know that this will be a good read. And then, what I started ay itong Stillness is the Key. So, that's what I did. And then, on January 3, we went to Rizal, sa Tanay and Antipolo. And then, Monday, January 5, my first day of practical driving lessons. I drove a car for the first time. Friends, it is January 7, Wednesday, and I got this, a very cheap vacuum, like 1,000 plus lang siya. Okay. And I bought filter online. Wala siyang masasak. It's not sucking this. Fake. Charis. Oh my God. My hair in there. Okay. Okay.
Bukas lalabanan nga tang ay naman natin matulog, ti.
Oh my God. Friends, I made a very wrong financial decision. Jesus. That's the wrong financial decision. Oh my God. Hey, it is January 18, 2026, 11:58 p.m. I just came from a drive. I think this is my longest drive ever. Like, ang daming ikot sa loob ng camp, and then lumabas ako twice sa Cubao. Then I practiced a lot of reverse parallel parking and reverse straight parking, whatever that is called. Anywho, I'll do a proper haul of these pasabay matchas from Japan. This one, of course, I can't freaking read everything, but this one I've tried. It's good. I think, actually, hindi ko na rin alam kung magkakaiba pa ba sila. Pero I think they're all good. This is so fancy because of its box. And then I have this one also na nalift pa yan siya. I think I should, sige, I'll try to open it. I can't read. Like, I'm trying to find. Sana may ano. Okay. This is the next one. It has whatever this is. How to make matcha. Okay, meron siyang step by step, whatever, ganon. Okay, okay. So, of course, it comes with, like, this, as always. And then this one is nice as well. Like, almost same nung sa iba. Because I wanted to try almost everything to see if meron ba talagang difference. So that... What else? Wala na. I enrolled for my, I don't know kung anong year ko na, still residence to finish my thesis. And I don't know if I'm gonna finish that ever. Charot. Sana naman, Lord, please. So yeah, so that's my life agenda nowadays. Magka-license and to continue my grad school. Well, technically, well yeah, continue because never naman ako na-stop. Di lang halatang enrolled ako kasi nga residency lang. So, that's the tea so far.
Ano ka ba nung nakaraan, te?
Alin? Sexy? Chikinini? Order taker? Whatever, hindi ko na alam.
Spotify ba yan?
Ang aga niyong matulog, no? Kayo, si Rika din, ang aga matulog.
Ay, kung wala akong pasok kinabukasan, ay, dala mo ganun.
Hindi, like, girl, kasi ako may pasok o wala talagang...
Te, kasi iba naman.
Yun na nga, ang ibig sabihin, how I wish. Diba? Na parang, oo, like,
Alas 5
kasi parang kung ako, possible pala yun.
Hindi, kasi hindi siya nakakatulog agad, di ba?
Oo.
Doon siya nakaka-base na nakakatulog tayo.
Grabe.
Pray for you.
Ay, ano pa rin siya, oo. Pag,
Hindi, build. Wait. Build ka ba?
sino ba ko? Maganda, tulungan niyo siya. Nakarating ka, nakatipol, hindi pa. Huwag ka magalala yung alcohol mo nakarating na. Saan tayo? Kaliwa?
Diretso.
Ha?
Diretso.
May diretso ba?
Stoplight eh.
Okay.
Uy, dati.
Nagdaanit.
Umislide.
Siguro nga, napapaisip ka, ba't ako nangangamusta? Ilang beses ka na naroon sa paligid ko, nag-aalala lang ako para sa kamuntang ayos ka naman. Guys, it is January 22, 1:27 a.m. Kakauwi ko lang kanina and we went around like, ang lala. Mas kami mga 3:30 p.m. First we went sa UP. Tapos my first time na umalis sa like around camp lang and dun sa may palipaligid like Cubao ganun. So we went to UP and then afterwards we went to White Plains and then after that I went to 19th. I went back to the office and then we went to Antipolo. Like, oh my God, we went to Antipolo. And then we went to Temple Drive para tumambay, ganyan. So, we went to a lot of places. Sabihin mo ng, siguro, 8 hours nagda-drive, are. Parang puntang Quezon. Scary.
Uy, ibon! White bird!
Ayun na yung tinipak. Ano na ba yung kung ang tinapak ni Beth? Lipak? Malinaw.
So, makakakalabas. Oh my God, it doesn't do that! So nice! Oh, sino kaya?
Hindi mo ang Joel.
Ala, ang saya, te.